Hi guys! So for today's mini vlog, I'm gonna harvest my tanim yesterday. Char. See guys, so many dahon na talaga. That's why we putol-putol na. Isn't it amazing guys? We just tanim this yesterday and now we harvest na. O diba? The dahon was so healthy and so taba. So, I'm so excited guys to luto-luto. See guys, super dami naming na-harvest. And bukas, we will harvest this and putol-putol again. I'm so happy guys kasi when you believe this one sa store, it's so mahal talaga. So now, I'm just hugas-hugas this one kasi I want to luto-luto with egg. So I'm gonna fry lang some eggs and then I will put some olives and then syempre, the dahon that we harvest, spring onions, we tawag that in English. I'm so gutom-gutom na guys. So let's kain na. And syempre, we also had fried noodles. Let's kain na guys. Salamat!